Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. This is Wild Rover. It's a well-known song, great for singing as a group. It's only got 4 chords. I'll sing it and then I'll tell you something about it and go through all the chords as usual. I've been a wild rover for many a year, and I've spent all my money on whiskey and beer. But now I'm returning with gold in great store, and I never will play the wild rover no more. And it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover, no, never, no more. Now I went to an alehouse I used to frequent, and I told the landlady my money was spent. I asked her for credit, she answered me nay. Such custom as yours I can have any day, and it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover, no, never, no more. Now I took from my pocket 10 sovereigns bright, and the landlady's eyes opened wide with delight. She said I have whiskey and wines of the best, and the words that I told you were only in jest. And it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover, no, never, no more. I'll go home to my parents, confess what I've done, and ask them to pardon their prodigal son. And when they've caressed me as oft times before, I never will play the wild rover no more. And it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover, no, never, no more. One time, and no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover, no, never, no more. This, I'll say, is a popular drinking song, although in fact it may have started as a temperance one. Nobody's sure where it came from, but it's probably 18th century in English in origin, but then taken over by the whole world. In the chorus, after the words never, get some of the group or the audience to stamp their feet or clap or drum something. The song has become associated with the Celtic Football Club and with others, and with words adapted as required. And it's the title of a 1971 Blake Edwards film, and it's been successfully recorded by the Dubliners, the Clancy Brothers, the Pogues, and many others. This, as I say, has only got 4 chords in it. The arrangement is mine, and it's slightly different from some of the others I've seen. But it's in the key of G, so the chord starts with a G chord, then a C chord, and I spent money on whiskey and beer. Now, it's worth noticing that sequence. You've got a G, C, G, A7, D7, and then you repeat the same chords over. But now I'm returning with gold in great C. I never will play the D7 over no more. So you've got the same pattern for the first half and the second half of the verse. The chorus is the same. It's got a D7, no, no, never. Now here to do here, you can get your audience to stamp or hit something or drum on something, and you go and immediately slide up that third finger to G. So it's never, no, C. Well, I G, the wild C, no, never, no more. And the chords are exactly the same for every verse and every chorus, right the way through to the end. It doesn't change. Well, I hope you found that helpful and useful as usual. And it's a great song to sing, particularly in a group or getting people involved in singing it along with you. Anyway, whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.